Hi everyone, my name is Rhonda Robson and welcome to Rhonda's Tri-RRR-tistry. Thank you so much for joining me. I am a fluid artist in the middle of the United States of America in Sioux City, Iowa. Today's video is about this one right here. And as you notice with the Artis Loft Ready Mix, you see that shine? I'm just so impressed with that because a lot of people want to have a little bit of shine in theirs and they don't want to have to varnish it. So in this case right here, you can see that it shines, although varnishing helps also protect your color. So I'm not saying you shouldn't varnish, I'm just saying you don't necessarily have to varnish. Okay, so as you can see, the purple and the blue and the teal kind of came out really nicely. Yellow and white, not so much, which you can kind of tell by that. And then the red and white actually turned out better than my last one. It was more of a pink. It had a little bit of a pink tint to it. And I really liked this one because it's definitely red and white. All right, well, let's get you down and show you how to do these ring pours. And thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell so you can get notified when I get a new video up. All right, thanks again for joining me. Have a great time with this. Let's get you down on the canvas. Bye for now. Bye. Okay, so this again has just a single layer of this that I brushed on with my brush. And I'm going to spray it with a little bit of water to wet it down and then do just different color ring pours all over. And just let it spread. I'm not going to tilt the canvas at all. Okay. Get some water sprayed on here. Can't remember. This one did have a little bit of okay. I'm going to start with purple. I'm just gonna just saw a blob go down. So now it's making these rings not as symmetrical. That's it.
That looks awesome. Just leave it like that.
Well, that's what I'm planning on doing actually.
Really?
Yeah.
That looks freaking cool.
Yeah. I just need to figure out where to put my orange at. Should I put orange on there? Or just leave it?
You think it'll push back that way a little bit?
Well, and that's okay.
Yeah, you really don't have much room. I mean, it looks pretty cool right the way it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It just seems all over here though. I guess I could tilt it over that way just a tad. Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching and have a great day.